Good afternoon, traders. It is Erica here at Alpha E-Trades. It is about 2:17 p.m., Wednesday, October 6th, and we're finally getting a little bit of follow-through. This morning was a little bit of chop. Let's take a look at price action, see how we're doing. This morning when we opened up, we were about negative 34 points, so we just got into the green here. ES positive 8, NQ positive 70, RTY still fluctuating, a little negative here, negative 14. Alrighty here, so let's take a look. We're currently in some 15-minute trades. We had some 30-minute trades triggered as well. But all morning we had a little bit of range. Let's take a look using our 15-minute chart here. So if we take a look here, when the market opened, we spiked up, spiked down, but then we literally, this is a 15-minute chart, so we sat for probably since 10:30 until about an hour ago in this range here. So it was a little bit of a frustrating morning because sometimes you don't know you're in range and you're trying to trade a 5-minute chart and there's no follow through or nothing's confirmed. And so finally, from our 15-minute setup here, we got our trigger and we're headed to target 2 here. So I'm currently just about a little over $1,000 in profit here. Okay, so a little frustrating this morning for just in that range, but same thing with NQ. Let's take a look here. Okay, so this was, let's see, we had open here for the cash market. We had a spike up, spike down, and then we sat into this range, and we're just now attempting, we need a solid close over R1. 11 minutes on this candle to go, but we're targeting target 1 here at 14,772. So that on a 5-minute chart, therefore no follow through, etc., etc. So it's simply a waiting game when you are range. So that's what we had going on NQ. So that's a 15-minute chart. Now, if we take a look at our 30-minute charts, this massive range. I mean, that's just ridiculous, literally. And so now, again, you can see these are 30-minute candles. See this particular range here is pretty miserable. Okay, and so now we're rocking and rolling here. So we hit target 1. We do have a target 2 up here, but we go level by level. We have to use our 15-minute target 1 first here. Same thing on ES here from a 30-minute perspective. We had a large range, massive range this morning. I mean, that's pretty ridiculous. Look at these spikes and these wicks. And then 30-minute chart, again, that was just trader chop. And now we're rocking and rolling. And again, level by level, we won't use that target 3 because we until we get, which we're almost at here, at our target 2 from the 15-minute chart. And looks pretty promising. RTY, same thing here. We just had target 1 met. We're headed into target 2 here at 22.14. So that's pretty much what we had today. The morning was a little bit challenging with the range and consolidation that we had. However, though, patience is certainly something that you acquire when you're trading. And this afternoon is looking a lot more promising here. So that's what we have for today here, traders. Tomorrow we'll be back to see how we're doing on price action. And for those of you who had a tough time today trading, maybe you got stuck into the range, you might want to check out our blueprints because this is exactly what you get here. And so it alerts you when we are in that range. And a lot of our traders don't even trade this until we break out of that range because you'll drive yourself nuts trying to get into this. And sure, can you get a point here and there on a 5-minute? Absolutely. But the true meat or the bulk of the run is when we have order flow and volume over the trigger. So with that being said, hopefully everyone had an amazing trading day, and we'll be back tomorrow.